How to turn off Safe Search mode on Google. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Did Safe Search turn on automatically and now it's stopping you from viewing explicit content and you want to turn it off? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar. Now search for anything. For example, I will search for my own YouTube channel. Then tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top. Scroll down to the end. You will see an option for Safe Search. Tap on it. As you can see, Safe Search is currently set to filter. In your case, it might be set to blur as well. If either of the two options, filter or blur is selected, that means Safe Search is on. To disable Safe Search, simply select the off option. As you can see, Safe Search has now been turned off. Now, Google will show you all the search results, including explicit content based on your search. However, in some cases, you may not be able to turn off Safe Search. For more information, tap on the drop-down icon, then scroll down to the end. You can read the first paragraph by yourself. In the second paragraph, it says that Safe Search is set to filter automatically if Google detects that you are under 18. In that case, you will need to either wait until you are 18 or update your date of birth to match what's on your official ID if it was set randomly. The third paragraph explains more reasons why you might not be able to change Safe Search settings. It says, if you can't change your Safe Search setting, it might be because it's being controlled by your parent account, device, or network administrator. For example, parents and schools can lock Safe Search for child or student accounts. Additionally, parental controls on your device using public Wi-Fi or any antivirus software can force Safe Search to stay on and block you from changing the settings. If any of these apply to you, that's likely why you can't turn off Safe Search. You may need to contact the related authorities like your parents, school, or network admin to get it changed. And there you have it. You have successfully turned off Safe Search on Google. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.